Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if your Fortnite settings keep resetting. I mean when you go to settings and you change any settings and you start the game, the settings keep changing back. Let's fix it guys. You just need to close stuff here. Just right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now in here you just need to find the Fortnite game folder, saved folder and config folder. Right click on the client settings and select properties. If you have checkmarked this option read only, you just need to uncheck this box guys. This is the reason the settings want it saved. After doing this, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to open up Epic Games, go to library and click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage. Select verify files. After finish verifying, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.